Hi, my name is Cassandra. I did my windshield survey on the Cherry Creek School District. One of the words that I made big on my word cloud was jealousy. I went to Aurora Public Schools, and we're kind of rivals with Cherry Creek Schools, but they have a higher socioeconomic status than APS generally does. So we always were kind of jealous of the Cherry Creek School District. For instance, I was in theater, and their budget for one show was our budget for the entire year. So I kind of already had a preconceived notion of the Cherry Creek School District. I grew up in this area. A couple other words I picked were upper middle class. Definitely the majority of the area I saw was upper middle class. New community. I've watched these houses get built in the over 2 decades I've been here in Aurora. So it's kind of cool to see that space, being used now and how many new houses there are and to watch that community grow. Still kind of an open space area. So I put that there. And it's generally, it feels like a nice, safe neighborhood. So I also included that. Let's see. How did my experience change my understanding? It really didn't, to be honest. I've already, been exposed to Cherry Creek schools, so I already knew kind of what I was dealing with. I've been in that area many times. But it's also a really large area, so I understand that there are other areas that aren't quite as affluent as others. So I was kind of hoping for a bit of a surprise. I personally didn't see any driving around, but I couldn't cover the entire area. I only was able to do part of it. And then I was going to compare my word cloud to Bella's word cloud, and she kind of looks like had a lower income community. She posted about there being food trucks, and definitely that's opposite of my community that I did. I didn't see any food trucks. In fact, I found a lot of grocery stores. I mean, there was still fast food and things, but I saw Sprouts. There was a couple of King Supers that looked really nice, a Safeway, so a little more fresh food available for that area. She did post some things that I agreed with, one of them being traffic. There was a lot more traffic in that area than I was expecting for that time of day. And she posted about there being crosswalks, plenty of walking space, sidewalks, plenty of crosswalks, especially in the school areas. And I did see several buses when I was in the area, so I would say I could agree about half of her word cloud, but my area is definitely a different socioeconomic makeup than what Bella's word cloud looks like it was based off of. And that's it.